It's never been easier to get hacked, which means that keeping your digital life secure is more important than ever. One simple way to increase the protection of your online accounts is to use two-step verification, which adds a second layer of security to the login process. Hootsuite's two-step verification uses Google Authenticator, which is a mobile app that provides a time-sensitive password to be used in conjunction with your Hootsuite password when logging in. By using Google Authenticator, you decrease the chance of your account being compromised, as it's unlikely that a third party will gain access to both the user's Hootsuite password and the unique device running Google Authenticator. Once you've downloaded the Google Authenticator app on your preferred mobile device, you're ready to set up two-step verification. Click the Security tab in your dashboard settings and choose Secure with Google. Open the Google Authenticator app on your device and either scan or enter your code from the Hootsuite Dashboard into the app. Next, enter the code from your Google Authenticator app into the corresponding field on the Hootsuite Dashboard. Then click Submit. You can choose to use two-step verification every time you log in, or just when your login location changes. Now that Google Authenticator is all set up, you'll have one extra step to follow when you log into the dashboard. After entering your credentials, open the Google Authenticator app and enter the unique code that's been generated. If you ever need to sign in and don't have access to the Authenticator app, you can skip this step and have a confirmation email sent to your Hootsuite account email instead. Two-step verification can be turned off at any time. To do so, simply click the Revoke Access option within the security settings of your account.